The restaurants don't want you to know that. This meat is super soft, distaining in the mouth. In a container, add 6 steaks. The type of meat may be of your choice. In the video, I'm using hard lamb steaks. Add sour water until you cover all the steaks. Then add 2 teaspoons of butter and mix everything very well. Book next door. In a fry pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter and wait for the butter to melt completely. When the frying pan is well heated, allow the steak to drain all the water and add it to the frying pan. To season, add a little rosemary, black pepper, a little salt, the point of the steak is at your preference. It is always important to pass the steaks on the sides of the frying pan so as not to burn. For you who like a steak for your lunch or dinner, this one cannot miss. It's wonderful. Sincerely, there's no way to resist. Do it at your home that I'm sure everyone will love. A super delicious steak that comes in the mouth. I hope you enjoy it. This was another little recipe from the Poor in the Kitchen. That's strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.